I thought my straw hat was cool.
Alright, this is 701 Orange Avenue in Clearwater, and we have run our camera through the outlet of the grease trap, which is on the east side of the property. To start, we ran from the west side down near the city tie-in, 105 feet from west to east, and the line was just completely underwater. So now we're coming back the other direction so we can mark the pipe out. So I'm just going to let the video run as I pull back. I'm roughly 100 feet or so in the line. I know it says 0, but it'll reverse count when we're pulling back out. So as you can see, the pipe is in very rough shape. There's a lot of cracks that are clearly visible on the right hand side, and it's bumpy and lumpy. So our assumption is it's Orangeburg pipe. Alright, so we're pulling out now. So we are 84 feet in, and that's where we were going. That's the outlet to the grease trap. And this again is on the east side of the building. I'm going to conclude the video.